Hey everyone, today I love how I do that with my hands. It's like, hey. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing this makeup look right here. I really love how it looks. It looks so good in my opinion. Yeah, I do like it. This video is a voiceover because I am watching a series and I do explain a little bit of that later in the video, like in the outro. But yeah, we're going to be doing this look. I really like it. I really love how it turned out. I opened my window, so comment down below if you guys like that. I don't know if that... I don't know. I just remember that I used to have it open for my videos, and I was like, hey, let's open it for this one time. And I don't know if I like it because, I mean, like, it's not really... it's not really cute out there, but whatever. Who cares? Yeah, so I need to go eat because I'm hungry. I need to get dressed because I'm going places. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this, I don't even know what to call it. This is like such a, like, not classic, but it's just really like, what do you call it? Like, it's really like, everybody does this kind of look. Like, warm orange shades and in the crease, and then like a dark brown on the, like, outer part of the eye, and then like a blue on the lid. Like, it's so simple, it's so easy, it's so like vanilla. Like, everybody does these kind of looks, but I mean, I don't know what else to do, so I had to improvise, okay? And I haven't done this kind of look before, I don't think, so I mean, might as well get it up on my channel. But if you guys want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to be taking this Alice Through the Looking Glass palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be taking that color right there with this Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to have this as a transition for the colors that we're going to be using later on. And yeah, so I'm just going to be putting it in my crease and really pack that on and blend that out. And then I'm just going to be taking this Wet n Wild palette with this Wet n Wild brush. And I don't remember what the palette is called, but it'll be down below for you guys. I'm just going to put this color in the crease and also the outer part of the lid. But the brush is from Wet n Wild also. It doesn't have a name. I believe it's just... if it does, it's probably just called a fluffy brush. I don't think it's anything really unique. Yeah, so I just really packed it on the outer part of the lid and also really blended into the crease. And then I'm just going to be taking a clean brush and I am just going to blend the edges of this look because I'm a sucker for blending. Like, I just can't stop blending ever. And then I'm just going to be taking this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and grab this color right here. Just put it in the crease and also the outer part of the lid and just really like smoke that out, you know, because we want this look to look really smoky and really blown out and really pretty or whatever. And then I just took a bunch of clean brushes and just kept blending because, like, I just can never stop blending, like I said. And then I'm going to be taking this Makeup Geek and Manny palette, and I'm going to be taking Aphrodite, I believe it's called. And this brush is from a craft store because it's for cake, like, decorating. But, you know, I got it and with a different brush, and they blend so well, like... it's so good for makeup. So, like, it was literally like $7 for 2 brushes. So, like, hey, yeah. And I just took that color on the outer part of the eye, the lid. I didn't want to go in straight with the color that I'm about to show you guys from the Wet n Wild palette because it's so dark. It's really close to a black, but it's like a brown, like a really deep dark brown. And this brush right here, I'm trying to find the brush, it is called the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, and I started on the bottom of the, like, near the lashes, but, like, I wanted to kind of smoke it up, you know, like a smoky liner, but that didn't work out so well. So I just took more product and put it on the outer part of the lid and then just blended that out, and now I'm cutting my crease because why the heck not? You know, why not? Like, why not? So what better way to do a first makeup look of 2019 than just do my staple kind of looks, a half cut crease, because like I love half cut creases. They're so easy, they're so fun to do, you could do so many things with them. But I just took my finger, obviously, and I just blended it out a little bit, and then I just took brushes that I took before and blended the outer part a little bit, because you know I want to bring that deep dark brown back into the look because the concealer kind of took it away. So I was just blending that part out. And then here I'm just deciding what kind of shimmer shadow I want to go in with. I was debating with that like red goldy shade with that blue, but I just ended up with the blue because like I don't really mess with blue shadows, and I felt like if I went with that reddish gold shade, then it would have been too much like orange and like red. It would have been too much, I felt like. So I was like, you know what, let's go in with the blue. And yeah, but you can go in whatever you would like, it really doesn't matter, but I just decided to go in with that. Then I felt like it was too like plain, like I just didn't like how it looked, so I took this color from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and put it right in the center, and I really love how it turned out. Like it looked so pretty, like it looks so good, like I just can't. It looks so much better than what it did before applying this shade. It looked so good. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Line Stiletto Liner in Blackest Black, I believe. I think that's it. It'll be down below for you guys. As well as my lashes, because I didn't I didn't tell you guys what my lashes were at all, because I didn't like put it on the screen or anything. But they'll be down below for you guys. But I'm just going to really be doing, at first I wanted to do a thin wing, but then it ended up being a really thick wing. So yeah, that's the thing. And then I just took all the colors that I took in the crease and also the outer part of the eye. I just brought it down on the bottom lash line. And yeah, I know I'm singing. Yeah, there was a show and Runaways, and it was playing a song that I absolutely love. And like, girl, your girl had to sing, okay? So she was singing. So I just took this e.l.f. Precision shader brush or something like that, I think it's called that, and I just took all the colors that I'm showing you guys on the bottom lash line. So yeah, I really love how the bottom lash line turned out. So I hope you guys do also. I just love smoking out the bottom lash line. And this part, oh my god, yeah, I'm just not even going to talk about it. You could watch it yourself, like I just can't. But yeah, I just took everything from the crease and the outer part of the eye down there. I did put the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, I believe, on the bottom lash line. And the color that I took is from the Wet n Wild palette, the deep dark brown shade. The last color that we took on the outer part of the eye, and I just really smoked that out. And then I put mascara on, and that mascara will be down below for you guys, because I do not remember what it's called. Like, I just grabbed one and put it on, like, that's it. Paige, calm down. Like, this show gives me mixed emotions. Like, so many things were happening, I just couldn't. So yeah. But anyway, as you guys could see, one side of my face is done and the other is not. So I'm gonna do my other side of the face with you guys. The bronzer that I'm taking right now is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in Sunlight. And then I took this, I don't show you guys what it is, but because I forgot to show you guys. But the contour that I use is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess little contour thingy. And I really love this. This is so good. Like, this is my go-to contour. It's just so good. And then I took this, I don't know what it's, like, what the brand is. Oh, Seraphine. But it's called Hibiscus. But the brand will be down below, and what it's called, it will be down below. But yeah, so that's that. In this part, oh my god, it got so emotional. I wanted to cry. Like, I literally, like, was tearing up, but I just had to look at a light and just let the tears go away. Like, I just but I took this highlighter shade. It's like a light shimmer shadow, and it's more of a, it's not really a shimmer shadow. It's more of a matte, but it has a little bit of sparkles in it, you know? It has a little bit of shimmer, not a lot though. I just put that in the inner corner of the eye, and then the highlighter that I'm using is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in Blossom Glow, and also I mixed that with this Too Faced highlighter powder. I don't remember what it's called, but it's like iridescent looking, and it's like in this pink and gold packaging or whatever. Yeah, it'll be down below for you guys. And then I just set my brows. That will be down below for you guys also. And then my lippy, oh girl, it does not even have a name. It doesn't even have a brand. But yeah, that's the thing. And then I did take a gloss, which girl, at first I didn't like the gloss. Like, I like despised it. But now, like, it's just so cute. I love it. You guys are gonna see it in a second. Like, it's really cute. Okay, get the palette away from your face. Move it. You can't even see it. But look at that shine. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I love this lippy combo. It's so cute. Like, oh my goodness. And then I just put the highlighter that I use for my face on my chest. And yeah, so that is the finished look. Like, I really love how it turned out. Like, it looks so juicy. Like, so juicy. I love it. Anyways, I hope you guys like this makeup look. I really like this look. It looks so good. You could totally wear this during the day, and if you're going out like at night or something. Now, I think the bottom lash line really brings out, like, if you're wearing this for like a night out. If you didn't really smoke it out and you just did those orange colors and like maybe just put a white liner and mascara, that will be like a daytime appropriate one. But this one, I'm just all about the nighttime appropriate looks, so I mean, what could I say? I did do a little bit of my face on camera because I just thought it would be fun, and all that, everything that you guys are going to be seeing of me showing you guys will be down below for you guys. So if I didn't say it in the voiceover, it'll be down below. Like, everything will be down below. End of story. That's it, you know? And those faces that you guys saw, girl, I've been watching Runaways, Marvel Runaways, and it's just like these kids and their parents. Is just a lot of drama, and it just has like power, superpowers, has like alien spaceships, aliens. It's just a lot, and I can't wrap my head around it. I'm on season 2. I think I'm just about done on season 2. I'm actually watching it on Hulu, so if you have Hulu, you can watch it on there. Just type in Runaways, pop up. Girl, it's so good. It's so good. And those faces, like, I literally, one moment I wanted to cry in one part, but I couldn't because, like, my makeup, obviously. I was not going to do a voiceover, but then Runaways, it just got really good. It got really juicy, and I just couldn't wait for like 3 hours for me to record and then watch what happens next. I just couldn't. So I'm sorry if you don't like voiceovers. They're just super easy for me to do. So if there's some kind of series that I'm in the middle of watching, I would do a voiceover. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!